All right, so at this point, we have added EdPuzzle to our Google Drive. We have found our videos and we filled out our chart on the information from those videos. Now, this example is from the playlist that's on your Google Classroom, and it is, it's not a fabulous example because, as you see, I don't have a lot of information. This gal doesn't really give any claims. She just talks. She just talks a lot. But we're going to talk about how she's showing off, well, this is how great of shape I am. Down here, as like the other comments, you could write anything about how she's really touting how wonderful she is and how this has clearly worked for her. I have put a link right here to the video, and when I'm done with the EdPuzzle, I'll put a link to that down here as well. So I'll have the EdPuzzle link as well down here. Okay, so go back over. I have toggled over to my EdPuzzle. So you have a few different options up here. You're going to have crop video, voiceover, audio notes, quizzes. Now the voiceover would be throughout the whole video. You can see over here, you must record audio over the whole video, so you won't do that. Audio notes, this is something that if you just wanted to pause it. So say I wanted to look back here, and I'm going to go to the 439. Okay, so let me get down to, let's see, it's 413, 36, 39. So say I want to do a voiceover. Right here, I could record, well, what notes did I make? I said, okay, so we have a couple minutes of her showing her workout. So over here, we're going to say, like, okay, are they trying to prove it? So maybe I want to make a voiceover note. I'm going to allow it to use my microphone. And I'm making a comment on, wow, okay, so for the next 2 minutes, you're going to see her working out to music. She is using this to show what a great body she has and how clearly intermittent fasting is working for her. Okay, so I paused it. There we go. Let's say I want to do some quizzes in addition. So my note is still there. And a quiz could just be, another comment. So say I want to go to 816. So on 816, she asks if viewers would like her to make a video on why they may not be losing weight. So I'm going to kind of get to that 811, 816. So, you can do it as a question, but you can just make a comment too. Maybe I'm going to ask it as a question. Why does she feel she is credible on weight loss? Okay, she's given no evidence for that, so I can save that, right? And then if I wanted to do something else at the end, I could go here and maybe like I want to say something about like my audio notes. I can say, wow, she really, it's very, formal. It does have a lot of information as far as like where you can find me, but it doesn't give anything as to other than the word fit and fitness. We have no idea what this girl does. So this could be that example of just a mom staying home, and although I didn't see any kids except for her dogs, but still, that's it's just an idea like that mom blog. Like I'm just going to write this because I'm in good shape, and I'm going to share with people how I got in good shape. So there you have it. And then when you're done, then I'm going to say that I am finished, and I can save it, right? So finish. You won't see this because I have a teacher an account. So I don't believe. If you do, prevent skipping just means the person has to listen to it. They can't skip over the questions. These are what your teachers see. So I'm just going to do that later. So now I've got it right here, and you'll see all of my different examples. So if I want to watch it, I have it right here. And I can then give you a link. Hold on, let me get out of here. Okay, so sorry, let me get back into the video. Oh my goodness, I keep doing this. Not watch. I want to edit it. So when you go to your finish, you should see public links. And that is going to be, I'm just going to copy this link, and I'm going to pop it in here and say EdPuzzle video. And what I do on that is I'm just going to do click on the hyperlink. If you don't know how to do this, you highlight the word, click on hyperlink, and Control V, apply. So now my EdPuzzle video, so if I exit out of EdPuzzle here, you're going to see, I can get back in and it'll show you the assignment. So if you have questions, please ask, but it's pretty straightforward. And that is how you can use your EdPuzzle.